So we will always work with ChatGPT like writing an essay or an article or writing a script for our YouTube videos. Of course, ChatGPT has an expert in doing all these things. But the main problem with ChatGPT is whenever you generate an essay, paragraph, article from ChatGPT, then its tone does not seem at all is written by a human. And I will also give you a live example of this. So today the name of this AI tool is AI Detector Pro. In this you can paste any content and check whether it's written by AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini or not. And at the same time you can also add a natural tone by humanizing that content with AI Detector Pro. So first of all I come to ChatGPT and for example I type a pro minute. Give me an essay on how AI works for my project. Now I copy this paragraph from here and come to the dashboard of AI Detector Pro. Now click on the new AI scan here. Now paste the essay that we got written by ChatGPT here and click on the analyze button. By the way, one more thing, it's not necessary that your content should be in English only. Here you can check it in many other languages like Portuguese does as well. Now after pasting the essay, click on analyze button. Now look, our report had come in which 98% of that essay out of 100 has been written by an AI, and we already know that this essay is written by an AI like ChatGPT. Now to fix it and add human and natural tone, you have to click on Open AI Eraser. You will see an option of eraser tools on the right side. Here you can decide how many human touch you want to give in this essay. Okay, so now after choosing this, you have to click on Humanize document. Now it will take some time and will humanize this essay. Then I will show you whether it is able to detect AI in this humanized essay or not. Okay, so our essay has been completely humanized. Now to check whether there is AI in it or not, you have to click on rescan document for AI. And now you can see it has turned green and now it's showing human detect. That means you can use this essay anywhere and no one will be able to detect where it has been written by any of your AI or not. By the way, one more thing, up to 15% discount is available on the plan of AI Detector Pro in this Black Friday sale. So go and check out now, and I have told about another similar crazy AI tool in this video, so do not forget to watch it.